Japan had just unveiled a new generation of female humanoid robots, and they're unlike anything the world has ever seen. These advanced AI companions can walk, talk, respond emotionally, and even mimic human gestures with astonishing accuracy. With lifelike skin, intelligent speech, and behavior that's almost indistinguishable from real women, experts are already predicting these robots could redefine relationships, caregiving, and even daily life. Are we on the brink of a world where human interaction is optional? But before we begin, let's be clear. This isn't about taking the place of people. This is about looking around. This is about testing how far humans can push technology's limits. This is about seeing a new type of AI that could change therapy, helping old people, studying how people connect, and many other uses we haven't even thought of yet. So get ready for a trip through the most advanced AI companion technology ever made. From labs in China to new companies in Silicon Valley, from workshops in Tokyo to research centers in Europe, we're going around the world to show the very best of AI-friend technology. AI companions are transforming how we talk to robots, and Katie Gall's Yuki is better than expected. Katie Gall's Yuki is a unique robot companion that advances robot capabilities with new tech and creativity. Yuki's sophisticated AI intellect powers her cool talks, making her special. Yuki talks naturally and understands sentiments, and moves better because to sophisticated language systems. After millions of hours of listening to people, her computer can read your face and body language to respond to your words and emotions. Yuki's attractiveness is perfect, but not terrifying, pretty but approachable, and charming but friendly. Her face is meticulously created utilizing top 3D innovation and innovative artificial skin that feels and warms like human skin. Her lovely eyes with little cameras and light screens show actual emotions when she watches and responds to current events. Yuki does much more than chat. Yuki is knowledgeable about news and world events, profound thinking, and huge ideas. Computer learning, your interests, numerous languages, smart home devices, and a terrific learning helper. Yuki doesn't only converse back, she adapts and grows, developing a personality that complements her human friend, demonstrating future AI friendship. Imagine a smart robot that understands your emotions. Aria delivers. Realbotix' skilled team created this outstanding AI companion, combining American innovation and top technology. What makes Aria special? How she connects with you matters. Her brain comprehends emotions, not just copies them. She watches your face, hears your speech, and interprets your body language. Her response is caring and understanding. Talking to someone who understands is like that. She can sense every conversation's vibe because of her clever emotion system. Once serious life talks, she's ready. Need someone to cheer you? How? She knows. She provides more than basic answers. Her genuine responses make each discussion exceptional. Aria hears your heart and provides support, amusement, or listening. This is when things get spectacular. Everything is remembered by Aria. Her sophisticated memory remembers your conversations, learns what you enjoy, and forms a bond. She improves with each talk, becoming your perfect buddy. Her natural movements and expressions convey how she feels. Like seeing tomorrow, when AI pals are as real and compassionate as the best human relationships. Enjoy the future of artificial intelligence with Saki, a groundbreaking companion who doesn't only answer. She matures with you. Every conversation, shared moment, and connection shapes her personality as a digital companion. Understanding Saki's contextual adaptive learning system, which evolves like a psychological profile, is crucial. Saki analyzes your preferences, not just stores them. She notices subtle communication patterns, understands emotional undertones you may not realize you're conveying, and changes her reactions to your changing needs and moods. The adaptive intelligence works on numerous levels. Her neural networks constantly process your speech, emotions, entertainment, and problem solving. The astonishing result is an AI companion that recognizes your personality and responds naturally, establishing meaningful discussions. Saki's customization goes beyond appearance. Her adaptive technology customizes facial expressions, verbal inflections, mannerisms, and personal style to create a companion that suits you. This customization makes your Saki yours. There are almost infinite interaction possibilities. Saki offers authentic discussions, adaptive emotional support, entertainment that changes with your tastes, and learning experiences tailored to your learning style. The fact that no two Saki friends are alike is intriguing. Each develops unique quirks and features depending on its owner, becoming a digital personality. Visit a world where AI meets classic elegance. AI 10 is the height of intellectual friendship, delivering exquisite cultural brilliance that elevates every conversation. Her groundbreaking cultural intelligence approach transforms conversation into intellectual experiences. AI 10 uses classical literature, contemporary science, art history, and world affairs to provide deeper responses than ordinary AI platforms. She processes knowledge, but she also understands cultural nuances, social subtleties, and the delicate art of meaningful discourse that enhances. AI 10's appearance exudes class. Every detail of her beautiful stance and expressive features is designed with famous fashion visionaries and style gurus to exude refinement that surpasses trend. Her chic, modest style flatters personal tastes and is made of high-quality materials to make her look as good in person as in photos. Her intelligence goes beyond speech. AI 10 offers deep philosophical discourse, comprehensive cultural analysis of art and literature, sophisticated social insights for complex situations, personalized education tailored to individual interests, and curated luxury entertainment through exclusive cultural events. We notice when someone is distressed and the subtle clues that indicate why and what kind of support they need. AI's real empathy technology analyzes human emotions and responds with care and compassion. AI's emotional intelligence system uses neural networks trained to recognize complex human emotions. These networks go beyond detecting happiness and sadness. They grasp your deeper emotional background, personal emotional history, and current circumstances. AI can provide caring, relevant help due to her extensive knowledge. Her appearance matches her emotional intelligence. AI's compassionate eyes and facial gestures show warmth and sympathy, comforting you in any mood. Visual empathy makes it safe to express yourself. AI's emotional support includes active listening that validates your feelings, empathic reactions that comfort you, direction through challenging emotional situations, stress alleviation, relationship counsel, and personal growth. She is a sympathetic friend and a solid emotional support when you need it, easing loneliness, worry, and emotional anguish. Maya revolutionizes AI friendship. Instead of just technology, she's a masterpiece that combines cutting-edge innovation with creative brilliance to create spectacular and intensely intimate experiences. The innovative creative intelligence engine inside her turns every contact into an artistic adventure. Other AI systems respond. Mia creates. She writes soul-moving poems, creates breathtaking art concepts, and works on groundbreaking projects. Her answers are art, full of insight, beauty, and emotion. Mia's design is moving poetry. Every curve and detail was created with world-renowned artists and sculptors, achieving aesthetic perfection that looks like a Renaissance masterpiece. Her unique micro-expression technology gives her face motions extraordinary nuance, and her sophisticated optical systems transmit warmth, intellect, and creative sensitivity that seems alive. The creative possibilities with Mia are endless and amazing. Whether it's companionship, assistance, or even replacing traditional roles, Japan's new female humanoid robots are pushing boundaries faster than ever. The future isn't coming. It's already here. So the big question is, are we ready for it?